AI Stocks Made Simple by David L. Wadley, a multi-part video series. Chapter 3: Why the AI Revolution Matters. The AI revolution is not just about technology experts and investors. It affects daily life, jobs, and how businesses operate. What is the AI revolution? The AI revolution is the global shift caused by computers that can 1. Read and write text. 2. Understand language. 3. Learn from large amounts of data. 4. Help solve complex problems. Tasks that once required human thinking are now partly done by machines. How AI changes everyday life. AI is already part of your daily routine, often without you noticing. 1. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. 2. YouTube recommendations. 3. Netflix show suggestions. 4. GPS and traffic apps. 5. Spam filters in email. 6. Shopping recommendations online. 7. Online customer service chatbots. The more people rely on these tools, the more valuable the companies behind them become. How AI changes work. AI helps people work faster and smarter. 1. Office workers use AI to draft emails and documents. 2. Teachers use AI tools to build lesson plans. 3. Doctors use AI to read scans and test results. 4. Drivers use AI-powered maps and safety systems. 5. Factories use AI-guided robots to build products. For investors, this means 1. Companies that use AI can run more efficiently. 2. Efficient companies can often be more profitable. 3. Profitable companies are usually stronger long-term investments. How AI changes business. AI helps businesses. 1. Automate routine tasks. 2. Reduce human error. 3. Predict trends and customer behavior. 4. Personalize services and marketing. These improvements can lead to 1. Lower costs. 2. Better products and services. 3. Higher profits and stronger growth. Why AI is growing so fast? AI is expanding quickly because 1. Computer chips are more powerful than ever. 2. There is more data than at any time in history. 3. The cost of computing has dropped. 4. Businesses need AI to stay competitive. 5. Governments and big tech companies are investing billions in AI. All of this speeds up AI research and adoption. Why this creates investment opportunities. AI today is similar to earlier turning points. 1. The early internet. 2. The early personal computer era. 3. The early smartphone era. People who learned about those shifts early often had more chances to benefit. AI is another wave like that. The beginner advantage. Many people still do not understand AI or think it is too late to learn. This gives beginners who take time to study AI a real advantage. The truth. 1. AI is still in its early stages. 2. New uses are discovered every year. 3. Many industries are just starting to adopt AI. AI is not a short-term trend. It is a long-term change. Companies that lead in AI may be important for decades. Mini summary, Chapter 3. 1. AI affects how we live, work, travel, shop, and communicate. 2. AI helps businesses cut costs and increase profits. 3. AI is still early in its life cycle. 4. Learning about AI now gives you a long-term advantage. Now that you understand why the AI revolution really matters, the next step is taking action. Up next in this series, in the next video, Chapter 4, How to Start Trading. AI Stocks Made Simple. Continue to the next chapter.